Welcome back to Insulation Insights presented by No Gap Insulation, your trusted podcast for all things insulation. Today, we're continuing our product spotlight series, focusing on one of the leading names in the insulation industry, Fletcher Insulation. Whether you're looking to improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, or even reduce noise, Fletcher Insulation has been providing high-quality solutions for decades. Let's dive right in. Before we explore their product lineup, let's take a moment to talk about Fletcher Insulation's history and manufacturing process, which really sets them apart. Fletcher Insulation is part of the Fletcher Building Group, with roots dating back to 1909 in New Zealand. Over the years, they've grown into one of Australasia's largest manufacturers of insulation products, focusing on sustainability, quality, and innovation. Their products, such as Pink Batts, are made from up to 80% recycled glass, and their advanced manufacturing process ensures high-performance insulation that's also environmentally friendly. By recycling materials and reducing waste, Fletcher Insulation not only helps keep your home comfortable, but also contributes to a greener planet. Let's start with their most well-known product, Pink Batts. Pink Batts are a glass wool insulation solution designed to provide excellent thermal and acoustic performance for walls, ceilings, and floors. Whether you're trying to keep your home warm in winter or cool in summer, Pink Batts do an amazing job of regulating indoor temperatures. And as an added bonus, they also help with soundproofing. Pink Batts are non-combustible, meaning they add a layer of fire safety to your home, and they maintain their shape over time, so you won't have to worry about sagging or losing insulation efficiency. These batts are easy to install, making them a great option for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers alike. Now, beyond temperature control, Fletcher Insulation also offers products specifically designed to reduce noise between rooms or from outside sources. One of their standout products in this category is Soundbreak. Soundbreak is a high-density glass wool insulation that is perfect for walls, floors, and ceilings, where noise reduction is a priority. It absorbs sound waves, preventing noise from traveling between rooms, making your home quieter and more peaceful. For those who work from home or just want a quieter space, Soundbreak is an excellent addition to your home's insulation system. Let's also talk about warranties and standards. Fletcher Insulation takes quality very seriously, and their products are manufactured to meet Australian building standards. Products like Pink Batts and Soundbreak comply with AS NZS 4859.1, the standard for materials used in thermal insulation. These products are non-combustible, providing peace of mind when it comes to fire safety. Fletcher Insulation also backs its products with long-term warranties, ensuring that your insulation will perform for decades. Their warranties often cover up to 70 years, meaning you're not only improving comfort and energy efficiency, but also investing in a long-term solution for your home. With Fletcher, you know that the insulation will retain its thermal and acoustic properties for the life of the product. Now let's talk about how you can get these amazing products for your home. At No Gap Insulation, we offer supply and fit services for all Fletcher Insulation products, including Pink Batts and Soundbreak. Our team will help assess your home's needs, recommend the right products, and take care of the entire installation process. Whether it's a small project or a complete home insulation upgrade, we're here to provide you with the best possible service. And if you're more inclined to do it yourself, you can easily purchase Fletcher Insulation products directly by visiting nogapinsulation.com.au to browse our full range of products. We offer fast and reliable delivery throughout Melbourne and beyond. It's also worth noting that by choosing Fletcher Insulation, you're investing in a brand that's committed to sustainability and is Australian-made. Plus, the energy savings from properly insulated homes help reduce your power consumption, which means lower bills and less energy waste. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Insulation Insights presented by No Gap Insulation. Be sure to subscribe for more product spotlights, expert tips, and all things insulation. Until next time, stay comfortable, and we'll see you soon.